Hello and welcome to my Yan 3D printer unboxing and setup video. Now let's see what's in the box. We have a power brick to power the 3D printer, a 320 gram roll of furling filament, well sealed, and the furling slider, and instructions how to use it. We have a Bowden tube, a filament holder, and a power cord, and a build plate, and an envelope from Furling Tech. Let's see the spec of the power brick. Now we'll take a look at the build plate with the very nice hexagon design and magnets in each corner. As you can see from here. Power cable, spool holder, 3D printed with Furling logo. And this is how you use the furling slider. This is what was in the envelope: a quick start guide, leveling sheets, and sticker with the Furling logo. As you can see from the video, very nice printer, very well designed, aesthetically pleasing. This is the extruder motor. As you can see, LED lighting on both sides. Belts. And of course, the all-important video camera on the front of the printer. There's leveling screws for leveling the print bed. Push the Bowden tube in there, full, and push the Bowden tube in there, tight, full. This is the power switch, the power socket, and the USB socket. LCD display with SD card reader and USB pen drive. And as you can see in the back, there is extension left for heated build plate. So let's get it together and get it switched on. Fairling logo on the screen. First we'll pick our language, English for myself. And follow the instructions as you go through the screen, connecting to your Wi-Fi. Turn the Wi-Fi on. And connect to your nearest Wi-Fi. And the first thing it does when it's connected to your Wi-Fi is update the firmware. Extremely intuitive to use the touchscreen. And that is the firmware updated. Now we're going to put the spool and the furling slider together. Cut your filament at an angle. Feed it in at the bottom. Press load. Now it will heat up the nozzle and then start loading the filament all by itself. And of course, don't forget to put on the build plate. And that's the filament loaded. Now we're going to level the nozzle, or calibrate as it's called. Follow the instructions on the screen. Use the print bed leveling sheet. Next, insert this leveling sheet and then adjust the print head until you have slight resistance on the leveling sheet from the nozzle. you get slight resistance, that's the bed level. Put on your USB pen drive, pack your model from the USB, and print. There is also an Android or iPhone app for your phone or tablet to control the printer and print from, with online models in the app which will automatically send to the printer. I find this an extremely easy printer to set up, get started with and use. And as the print quality, as you can see with this model as I'm printing now, is extremely good. The model does come off the print bed extremely easy as well. Very well designed and easy to use printer.